Hey fellow Youtubies, what is up? Joe Garrison here. Hey ladies, I've got a serious question to ask you. How often are we really washing our hair? Is it every day? Every other day? Every 3 days? Yeah, that's what I thought, every 3 days. Nobody has time for that. So as a hair and makeup artist, I've had the opportunity to collab with SalonCentric, which is a pro beauty supply store, and they have a new group called the SalonCentric Review Crew. So what they do is they send me products, I test them out, and I review them. And so what they've sent me most recently is the Dry Shampoo Powder from Redken, and I've got to say, it's a pretty awesome product. So one of the ingredients in this is charcoal, which is great because charcoal, if you don't know, has purifying properties. It also helps to absorb sweat and oils, which, like we've discussed, after 3 days, we've got a lot of oil up in there. Another great benefit is that it does not leave a powdery residue in your hair. I've tried so many dry shampoos where after I spray it in, I feel like all of a sudden my roots are so light and I have to pat it down forever until it finally soaks in, which sometimes can be like an hour or two. All right, so let me just show you how this works. So it has a little hole right there. And you basically, and it's nice because it doesn't come out too fast. I was kind of nervous the first time I used it that it would come out really fast. So you just kind of pour some on your hair and then do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and then you're good to go. So another great product is the Redken Pillow Proof 2-Day Extender. And I've been using this one for a long time. And I gotta tell you, one of the reasons why is because it smells so good. Redken's products seriously smell so good. Have you ever tried other products? You put it in your hair and kind of you like start like throughout the day you start sniffing like, what does that smell? Like, oh wait, it's the dry shampoo in my hair. And it doesn't smell good. Ugh. Anyways, so that's one thing. Smells so super good. Another thing is that it's so easy to apply. It's an aerosol, which is super nice. And I just lift my hair up, spray, 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 spray in the back, and give it some of this, some of that, and you're good to go. All right, so if you want to buy these babies, if you're a salon pro, then you can get them at SalonCentric. If you are not, then you can purchase them from my link down below, and make sure that you like and subscribe, and see you guys later.